This is a spin-turn knob, also known as a drift button, and this is how we made it. First, we have to wiggle and pull the cover off the park brake handle. That lets us access the release button easier so we can get our measurements for the spin-turn knob. We use a rag to protect the button from the jaws of the pliers. Then we can get it started and spin it off the rest of the way by hand. The spin-turn knob doesn't use the spring, so we'll pop that out as well. Now that we have our reference shape, it's time to model our part in FreeCAD. Right, and since it's a piece for the car, we'll print it out using some protopasta carbon fiber PLA. Now, it's install time, which means putting the park brake cover back on, then screwing our new knob on. With it in place, we have uninhibited use of the handbrake without having to hold the button down, but we still retain its functionality if we push the knob back out with our thumb. This part is used mostly by drifters for obvious reasons, but some people put it in drag cars too. That way, if you're using the handbrake to help you launch, you know it's going to be fully disengaged when you drop it off the line.